Okay guys, and welcome to another episode of our video. So if you remember in our last video, I promised you to show you how to do the integration of your analytics with your Whatshash, which is going to allow you to track all your users. So in the last video, I did not show you how it's going to look like on the back end if someone make a poll or someone votes what you shared. Now this is my account. Then I make a poll on my own account, so this is the result. This is how it's going to look like. You press the poll, you select it, then this is going to show you the result. Okay, you have one person that votes, so which means and also you can edit it here, and you can also see the voters here. You understand? You can see the voters here. Based on the results here, you can see what they subscribe for. Like, okay, this is what we prefer, which is going to allow you, because there's going to be a reason for you to do the poll initially. So I think that clears it. You can edit it and move on, and you can also delete it also. So so guys, now let's go back to the integration. So for your integration part, you just need a website on an account on analytics.google.com. So when you create the account there, you are going to be given something. So this is what I've connected for my own official website, and this is how people are responding. So it's not really that much because I did not really optimize it to generate traffic for me or keep sharing it. I just did that to show you how it works. So you have different data here, but for you to connect it with your Whatshash, that's why we are here. So now let's go to under the integration part. You can edit it. So the editing part is just going to give you the chance to input your tracking ID. Your tracking ID is all what you need. So when you immediately create the account here, before you have this section, this is most thing you are going to be seeing. Let me quickly show you. This is the mini setup I did for myself. Now for you to see your tracking ID, all you just have to do is to come up here, then search for tracking ID. You understand? This is going to give you the ability to see exactly where your tracking ID is. It's just like a jump to the page. You understand what I'm trying to say? So now we can easily copy it, because if you connect it, during the connection too, you are going to see where your tracking ID is. So it's under the data stream, then you see your stuff there. Very easy. So if you can't do that, you can easily follow this, then you select the account, then you get your tracking ID from there. Understand? This is it. So you just have to paste the tracking ID here, then you click on save. After a few traffic, maybe 1 or 2 users visit your website, you are going to see the results here. You can easily track everybody that visits your website, where they click, the engagement, or the page they visit in your own website. So it's very easy like that. So, and you can check, maybe it's okay, let's see, in the past 28 days, let's see, maybe there is any new thing there. Okay, 16 users, and let's see the page they've been visiting. Okay, this is where they visit. They go to the category, the store. You understand what I'm trying to say? So you can easily track each of your users with these. Very easy. Very, very easy. Very, very easy. So that's the last video, guys. I think I tried. If you really enjoy my video, guys, oh my god, a subscribe button, you smashing that button, you subscribing to the channel, turning on the bell icon, and a like or dislike button, I don't mind. It's just going to help me to improve. So I really appreciate. So this is going to be the end of the section of the videos. Understand? But more videos are still going to come under the section, but they are going to be talking about the pro features of Whatshash coming up.